So guys, what's up? Now what I want to show you guys here is a way you can prevent your accounts from getting restricted and banned all the time. Oh, it has been restricted. It has been restricted, but of course I'm going to appeal this, and when I appeal it, we'll be able to use it to advertise. Yes, so when your account has been restricted, it looks like this. This is what it looks like. And now there are various reasons why your account can be restricted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put together a checklist of the various reasons why your account may be restricted and how to solve this. Okay, so you can see it says we've restricted this business. What you can do is to request a review. So that's exactly what I'll do. I'll request a review. I'll click request a review. The first thing they always want to do is to confirm that you are actually a real person, right? So they'll say confirm, help us confirm that it's you. When you click it, it'll take you over to the next set of steps. So yeah, now that has been clicked. Now they also want you to add a phone number, because that phone number will be used to confirm your identity as, as someone who uses their platform. You have to be very careful when using Meta, and you need to also always have your details correct. Yeah, when you show up correctly, they attend to you and you don't have any problems. So this is it. I'm going to put that, and then I'll put in the phone number. So what will happen is they will send a code. They will send a code to the phone number, and then I'll have to provide that code. Yeah, so my device is here, and I'm going to be waiting for that code to drop. So the code has not dropped yet. I need to present the code now, which is 730298, right? And then I'll click continue. Good. Now the code has been accepted. Next thing they want is help us check that the account belongs to you. They need a photo of your official ID. So it could be a driver's license, passport, anything at all. And then what I'm going to do then is to upload that image, right? So upload that image. So do I have my ID document here? I have to look for it. Yeah, this is it. So I'll upload it. Sent in the ID document, and they're saying I'll hear back from them within the next 4 days. Usually, most times it takes less than 4 days. I must tell you, it takes less than 4 days, and then you just have your assets up and running again, as if you didn't do anything out of the ordinary. But if you maybe committed some form of crime, like maybe you violated the rules of the community guidelines and all of that, they may decide to keep your account restricted permanently. So it says what you need to know. See, there's a couple of things you need to know about this review, but this is how you can sort out your reviews, right? Another thing you can also do after sending this in, you can decide to go have a chat, right, with the support team. So what you're going to do to have that chat is you're going to call, right? You come to business support home, and there's going to be an option for you to have a chat. But let me tell you something. There's a preference given to accounts that have been running ads consistently before, right? So if you've been running ads, a preference will be given to you. But some people do not get the chat option to show on their own accounts. Yes, that's how Meta does it. I don't know why. I don't make the rules, but I'm just telling you what it is. Okay, so just in case you are looking for the chat option, there's a preference given to people who run ads a lot with them, right? So you can come here, you can click here, and it says create a new case, right? So I'll just come here and I'll just say create a new case, right? I'll say my account. Instead of creating a new case with this, I'll just come here and I'll say disabled or restricted asset. Right, there are already options popping out there, so I'm going to use that option where like a chat will open up and you can start talking to someone directly on the Meta platform. Right, it's a live chat, you can see. Now, one problem a lot of you have is people send you these messages as spam messages and they try to hack your account and all. But I want you to note something, right? Number one thing to note, if the person sending you an email, the email doesn't come from maybe a name at facebook.com or help or support at facebook.com, just know it's a scam message. Some of them may have this logo, but check very well if it's not written Meta support and when you click it, it actually shows you that this is Facebook support. Just know that it's a scam account. So don't respond to them. Just see the message, block it, and leave. Right? I'm gonna say hello. Okay, someone here. Right? Because we're trying to speak to Meta support, and this is something you need to do for yourself. Alright, so that's how to get into the chat. That you can then go in and give them your case about how your account got disabled or restricted. You type that, you'll find out that a real human being would start speaking with you, and then they'll help you sort it out. So I hope all of this made sense to you. Is there any other case you want me to solve down below? Maybe about your advertising on Facebook, Google, any platform, or what's it called? Or maybe something about using an AI system. Just let me know down below. I said I want to start creating all these videos free for you all. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And this is Mr. TRILLLIfe from Mr. TRILLLIfe to you out. I'll see you in the next video.